Emmanuel, what's up? Basso. So his Basso is saying his name is Emmanuel Yao, but we are asking you now your name is Emmanuel, but we have a lot of Muslim names that we want you to pick one. We have Muhammad, we have Usman, we have Mustafa, we have Abu Bakr. Which one you want? Muhammad. Okay, so you'll be added to this name, Muhammad Emmanuel. Yeah. So we are going to give you the testimony today so that you will become a Muslim. Just put your hand like this. Whatever we say, you're going to say. Ashhadu an la ilaha an la ilaha ha not ha an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.